Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about easiest way to earn money online for the beginners. So let's discuss this topic. Number one point is that freelancing workers. So make money online through these websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancing.com and Guru also. So these are the best websites for doing the freelancings. So these sites are opportunity to varieties of freelancing jobs like programming, with designing tools, and for their programming and marketing data analysis also, and virtual assistant also. So if you don't know knowledge about any kind of this all about freelancing, so click on this I button and watch that video. So I will go to this Google Chrome over here. Then I will type it here Guru Freelancing. Then you see this is the website. Then I will click on this website, and after that your website get open like this. You see here you have a login over here, and if you not create any account, then you should sign up over here and then log in it. Then and I will click on login option. I will sign in with my mail ID like this. Then after that you see the dashboard will get open over here. You see this. Then you should edit your profile and add change photo over here. Then you should write your name, surname. If you have any website, you should add your website link, and then you link on Facebook link, then LinkedIn link over here. Then you should add your tagline and bio over here. Then you should attach your files, and then you save it. After that, I will go to portfolio over here. Then you should add your portfolio over here. Then after that, you should go and find your over here. Then I will click on find a work, and you see these all are work show over here. You can type with that companies also, and you can get the good amount of remuneration also. So like that you can earn money using the freelancing works. My number two site is blogging. So a blog or short for a blog, web blogs are there. It is a frequently updated web pages, and you can personal community and for their business to content of blogs. So blog are interactive tools for that, including the selections, sections, and bottom of blog post where the readers can read the comments over here. Okay, so like that, if you don't know knowledge about how to create blog, so click on I button over here. So I will go to Google Chrome over here. Then I will type here, and I will go to here three dots over here. You see. Then after that you see Blogger. After that your web page get open like this. Then you see web blogs get open like this. Okay, so you see here new post. If you don't know how to create the post, so click on create a new post. After that you can type or upload your content and then publish it here. Then you see here the comment, and you see the comment options. Okay, all people's what people's are show over here, comments over here. So you see the comments over here. Then you see here themes are also there, and then you see select the one themes that. Suppose I will select the theme, you should click on apply for these themes. Then you see here pages. If you want to create a new page, then for your blog, then you click on the new page over here. Then you see here view blogs. Then our blog will get view show over here like this. I will click on the blog, your blog will show like this. You see here your blogs. Okay. Then so like that you can earn money using to blogging also. Then my number third is publish your ebooks. So writing an ebook is a good content, and it's make it easy to bring it to market. So if you are writers or any kind of author, so there is a best website writing an ebook is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing Books. So it is the best website for these ebooks. So if you don't know any kind of knowledge, so how to write the ebook, so click on this I button and watch that video. I will go to here Google Chrome, then I will type here Amazon KDP. Okay, so you see this is our website. Then I will click on this website. After that, I will click on create option like this. Then they are asked the question, what would you like to create? You want to create the paperback books, or you can create e-books, or you can create a series pages or hardcover books. So I will click on ebooks. Then after you should have to select the language. By default is English. So I kept this language only like this. Then I will type here book title and my course on computer concept. This is my book title, course on computer concept. Then I will add this book in my series. Then edition number you should add it over here. You should add the edition number over here. Then after you should give the name, author name, first name my Tanmay and last name is Mondhe. Then contributor name again, I will give the name of first name is Tanmay and last name is Mondhe. Okay. Then you should add a description of these books. Okay. I will copy the description and I will paste here. Okay. Then I should give publishing rights and I will click on first options. Then you should select the age. Then you can select the primary marketplace. I will check on Amazon only. It is primary marketplace. Then you have to choose the category and then keywords. Then you should click on first option for the pre-order and then save and continue options. After that, you should add a ebook content from the publishing's this profile. Okay. Then profile image you can also see here. You can also publish your profile image of this book and then save and continue. Then I will go to set the prices option. You should prices option. So I will choose this ebook and publish an ebook as well as in Kindle also. Okay, you can earn a certain amount of income using this kind of ebooks also. Okay, for the beginners, the easiest way to make money online is choosing this kind of methods. So there are also get required for the skill, interest, passions, and for the time also available. Freelancing provides a quick and earning method for these earnings. Then blogging also get and affiliate marketing and content creations are an online teaching offer the opportunity potential for higher earning over time. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.